Ever wondered what homes in 2050 will look like? The answer might surprise you. They'll be smarter, greener, and almost alive. Imagine walking into your living room. The furniture moves to your liking, the walls become giant 3D screens, and your AI assistant greets you like family. Homes won't just be smart, they'll be eco-friendly too. Solar windows will power everything, rooftop gardens will grow your food, and rainwater will recycle right back into your taps. Your home will even take care of your health. Beds will track your heartbeat, walls will clean your air, and rooms will change lighting and temperature to keep you feeling your best. In the kitchen, robots will cook your meals, your fridge will suggest recipes based on what's inside, and AI nutritionists will make sure you're eating right. And outside, entire neighborhoods will be connected. Drones will deliver groceries, self-driving cars will park themselves, and your home will talk to the city grid like a brain network. So, would you want to live in a home like this in 2050? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and remember, the future starts inside our homes.